Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant expedites production and supply of liquid medical oxygen. And safety review meet held at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Now the news in detail. Living up to the unprecedented requirement of liquid medical oxygen, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, under the guidance of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Government of India, has expedited production and supply of LMO to different states of the country. The oxygen plant of RSP has maximized the production of LMO and sending the tankers expeditiously. The department collectively has been ensuring smooth and efficient filling as well as dispatching of the vehicles loaded with the life-saving element. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, accompanied by Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, visited oxygen plant and interacted with the executives and employees of the department on 26 April 2021. Mr. A.K. Pradhan, CGM in charge services, Mr. A. Dashgupta, CGM Utilities and Environment, Ms. Asha Kartha, GM in charge oxygen plant, and other senior officers of oxygen plant were present on the occasion. 3 tankers containing the precious life-saving gas were dispatched in the presence of the CEO and other senior officers. It is worth mentioning here that as per the advice of Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, fire brigade vehicles are being deployed at the oxygen plant at the time of loading of oxygen to prevent any untoward incident. Commending the spirited effort of the team oxygen plant, the CEO said that riding on their performance, RSP has been able to provide critical support to the healthcare system at such a critical juncture when the nation is waging a brave battle against the pandemic. He urged upon them to strictly adhere to the safety norms as well as strictly adopt COVID-appropriate behaviors. It is worthwhile to mention that previously the LMO used to be dispatched only in the daytime, that is in general shift only. However, in view of the emergency in requirement and considering that the dispatch is primarily dependent on tanker availability, the loading and dispatch is nowadays taking place on round-the-clock basis. The employees of oxygen plant are enthusiastically coming forward in carrying out the yeoman service for the countrymen. Notably, in the month of April 2021, so far more than 2,100 tons of LMO has been supplied from Rourkela Steel Plant to Orissa and other states. The safety review meeting for the month of April 2021 was organized online at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 24th April. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, presided over the meeting. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, Mr. S.K. Behera, CGM in charge projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, CGM in charge P&A, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM in charge MM, and other senior officers, chief general managers, and head of the departments of RSP attended the meeting. Speaking on the occasion, the CEO commended the efforts of RSP Collective in making meaningful contribution at the time of COVID-19 by working relentlessly to supply the life-saving liquid medical oxygen to different parts of the country. With this regard, the CEO emphasized upon the need of special inspection of the oxygen plant and imparting the necessary education and training to the employees for safe handling of oxygen. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj also stressed upon the need of proactiveness on the part of Safety Engineering Department to bring about substantial improvement in overall safety performance of the plant. He urged all to strengthen the employee education initiatives and publicity to reinforce the behavioral safety and consolidate the safety culture within the organization. The CEO also called upon everyone to work toward healthy maintenance of the equipment by identifying and addressing the source and cause of the problem in advance to avoid any undue incident. He concluded by soliciting the support of one and all in combating the COVID situation by taking all possible precautions, keeping up the morale of the employees and adhering to the COVID guidelines to keep oneself and the plant safe and healthy. Mr. Kumar informed about the various initiatives taken to promote safety, especially the fire safety focusing on safe handling practices of inflammatory objects. During the meeting, presentations were made on the activities of fire services, occupational health and safety engineering by Mr. J.B. Patnaik, DGM Fire Services, Dr. T. Mishra, Additional CMO, OHSC, and Mr. A.K. Panda, GM, Safety Engineering Department, respectively. Focus was on safety aspects of oxygen plant, annual health checkup, and analysis of accidents. The CEO reviewed the actions taken pertaining to the points raised in the previous meeting. It was followed by an open house discussion in which various safety issues were discussed threadbare. Once again, a gentle reminder to our viewers to kindly wear masks, frequently wash your hands, maintain social distance, and avoid crowded places as far as possible. Stay safe, stay healthy. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.